welcome back to my channel, and today what I have for you is we went to Michael's and Hobby Lobby, and Hobby Lobby was having 80% off their Christmas and Michael's was having 75% off their Christmas, and then they were having 75% off of another item. So I picked up some things and I wanted you to see it in case, I don't know how well stocked your stores are right now, but I wanted to hop on here real quick and show everyone what you can get because they're wonderful deals and I don't want you to miss them if you're interested. It's the great way to pick up items for next year is when they have these big sales. And I also went to my P.O. box and I found some more Christmas cards and I want to share them with you. This one is from Connie and I love it. It just looks just so cold and just like I would want some big hot chocolate. So thank you so much. And then this is beautiful. Look at that detail. This is from Sherry and Johnny and I love it. It is so pretty. So thank you so much for these Christmas cards. Okay, now let's get into what I found. Okay, the first place I think we will go to is Michael's. Okay, this is what I picked up. I think it's beautiful. It says, "We wish you a Merry Christmas," and it is so pretty. Just look at that detail. It's gorgeous. And it's a pretty tall sign, as you can see, and pretty wide. This was originally, let me move this out of the way. This was originally $30. I hope you can see it. And I have my receipts right here. And I paid $9 for this. I think this is an awesome deal, okay? Then the next little thing I picked up is this Greetings from the North Pole sign. It was originally $25. And I paid $7.50 for this. I think it is so cute. These letters stand out. I just think I have so many ideas for next year, what I want to do with all of this. Okay. And then Holly Jolly Avenue. I thought that was adorable, and it's metal and it's pretty long too. I love this. It was originally $16 and I paid $4.80. That is a good deal. And then North Pole Road. I already know what I'm going to do with these next year. I'm so excited. It was $16 as well, and I paid $4.80 for this one too. So I think these are such awesome, pretty little finds for next year, okay? Now we're gonna go on to, that's all I purchased there. Now we're going to go on to Hobby Lobby, and I couldn't believe they are 80% off. Michael's was 75% off, and Hobby Lobby is 80% off. So I saw this. Mom bought this when it came out, and I wanted one, but I didn't want to pay that much money for it. It was $49.99 originally, okay? And I paid, let's see, $10 for this. I could not believe it. I was so shocked. I love it, and this is weighty, and it's so pretty. I just love it with all the little pears and apples around the side and like a pine cone. I just think it's gorgeous, okay? And then let's start with this big tree. I love this. This one, you can see, and it's on this wood pedestal, and it's very tall, as you can see. I mean, this is a tall tree. This one was $69.99 and I paid $14 for this. I love it. It is so pretty with all these beautiful berries. And then they have some of the lighter berries and then this greenery. I love it. It is so pretty. And like I said, it's on that wooden stand. So that one cost me $14. Then this middle one, okay, now this smaller one was originally, let me take this off, $59.99. And I paid $12 for this one. I just love it. It is so beautiful and they all match. This is how it looks on the top. And then this is down through here. I think it's gorgeous. Now it has a few little things off, but I can take care of that without any problem. I never thought I would have all three of these. And then the smaller one was originally $49.99. And I paid for this one $10. So I love these. These are so beautiful. If you are able to get some of these, oh, definitely do, because they're gorgeous just together, or they would make beautiful gifts next year. I love them. And then the last thing I picked up at Hobby Lobby was this, and I was shocked to see this is metal and it's pretty tall, and it says Grains 1841, and to me this is just so farmhouse Tuscan. I love it. It was originally $39.99 and I got it for $9.99. So I love this. It is just so pretty. I think it is gorgeous. So this was just off in their clearance section, 75% off. So I just wanted to hop on here real quick and give those P.O. Box shout outs and then let you know, if you are around a Hobby Lobby or a Michael's, go in and check out just their clearance section and then their Christmas section, because these are deals you don't want to miss. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.